orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly. The Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Rainy day. It was a rainy day, and Gattu and Chinky were playing outside. Mummy was cooking in the kitchen, and Papa was watching TV. Suddenly, the TV signal went out. Oh no! As soon as it starts raining, the TV signal goes out too. Just then, Mummy came into the living room.
Forget the TV and call Gattu and Chinky inside. If they keep playing in the rain, they'll catch cold.
All right. I'll call them right now. Papa went outside to call Gattu and Chinky and said, Gattu, Chinky, you've had enough of enjoying rain. Come inside now, or Mummy will scold us. But instead of listening to him, Gattu and Chinky pulled Papa into the rain.
Papa, come dance with us in the rain. Let's dance on the song Chak Dum Dum, Chak Dum Dum.
Yes, Papa. Dance on Ghode Jaisi Chal, Hathi Jaisi Tum.
Oh, Gattu, Chinky, I don't know that dance. But it's actually fun to get wet in the rain. Instead of bringing them inside, Papa started playing in the rain with Gattu and Chinky.
Papa, the weather is so nice. Let's quickly go to the nearby shop and get some hot chaat. It's so tasty.
Oh no, Gattu dear. If Mummy finds out, she'll scold us.
But Papa, Mummy won't know and we will eat chaat and can come back quickly. Please, Papa, let's go.
Papa, let's take the car so we can get there fast.
Okay, alright kids, let's go. But we'll go quickly and come back quickly, so Mummy won't find out. Then what? Gattu, Chinky and Papa got in the car and headed out. But the road they needed to take, it was filled with water.
Chinky, it has created a lake here now.
Yes, Gattu, there might even be fish swimming.
And a crocodile too.
Suddenly, while trying to move ahead, Papa's car got stuck in small pothole.
Oh no, Papa, it's a huge problem. What do we do now?
Oh dear, the car is stuck in a pothole. Gattu, Chinky, you'll have to get out. I'll push the car and then you can get back in, okay?
Okay, Papa.
Papa stepped out and started pushing the car. Gattu and Chinky cheered him on. After a lot of effort, the car finally came out of the pothole. They all got back in the car.
Papa, please hurry up. I can't wait to eat the chaat.
Yes, Gattu. We'll be there in just a minute, don't worry. But when they reached near the chaat shop, they found out that the shop was closed as owner didn't come. Seeing that, they both were very sad.
Oh no, the chaat uncle isn't here today. What will we do now, Papa?
Kids, maybe the uncle went away because of the rain. There's nothing we can do. We'll have to go back. Just then, Papa's phone rang and he saw that it's Mummy calling. Oh no, what do we do? It's Mummy calling.
Oh no, Mummy's call.
Take this, Gattu. You talk to Mummy.
But Papa...
Before Gattu could say anything, Papa answered the call and handed the phone to Gattu.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, Mummy. Hello?
Gattu, where are you all? Mummy, we came to get chaat with Papa, but the shop was closed. Sorry. What? In this rain? You guys don't even inform me. And moreover, Papa is with you too in all this.
Sorry, Mummy. We'll come back home now.
Let me talk to Papa, Gattu.
Hello? Yes, we are on our way back. Sorry.
Okay, but if you had asked me before going there, none of this would have happened. I made delicious aloo chaat at home today.
Hearing this, Gattu, Chinky and Papa all said together,
What?
Aloo chaat!
Oh no, we came all this way but the chaat was waiting for us at home.
Okay, we'll come home quickly. Papa hung up the call and turned the car around. But this time they took a different route.
Papa, is this a different road?
Yes, Gattu. The other road was filled with water. So I'm taking this way to avoid getting stuck again. But when they saw what's ahead, Gattu, Chinky and Papa were surprised. There was a huge traffic jam, and now their car was stuck in the jam.
Oh no, one road is filled with water and now this road has a traffic jam. We are stuck in the rain. You are right, Gattu. We should have listened to Mummy.
Kids, there's nothing we can do. But from now on, we'll always listen to Mummy. She's always right.
Yes, Papa.
After being stuck in traffic for half an hour, Gattu, Chinky and Papa finally got out of the jam and reached home. Mummy welcomed them at the gate.
Stop. Stop right there. Where you have been? Why did it take so long? And look at your clothes. It's all dirty.
Sorry.
Mummy.
Hearing this, Mummy started laughing. Well, we actually got stuck in the traffic.
Yes, Mummy. And our car also got stuck in a pothole.
And we couldn't find the uncle who sells chaat.
That's why I always say you should listen to me. Now quickly freshen up and then we'll all enjoy the hot aloo chaat together.
Hearing the name Aloo Chaat, everyone rushed to get ready. They all enjoyed the hot aloo chaat together, savoring the delicious treat in the cool rainy weather.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.